Hi, Tox. There you go. This is Kobe and Tox date. Let's see. Oh, it's gonna start raining. Kobe. Oh, look at them, Kobe. Oh,
Pala yung aking aso eh.
Kobe. Oh, it's raining. It's raining.
Tuwag.
Hello.
Inamoy.
Why he didn't say nothing?
Oh.
Oh,
Wala na, dito na. It's raining.
ay duwagis. Oh, there's another dog there. Oh, ano nangyari? Let's see.
Oh, they friends.
Oh.
Picture mo nga sila.
Eh, nag-ano
Oh,
video.
First meeting nila yan.
Oh.
Ni Kobe. Oh, friends sila. Oh.
Take a picture. Make a picture. Hi, Kobe.
Ay, ang ganda yung movie pinanood mo. Ano siya? About what?
Yaya Dab. That's Monina and Auntie Dindin. And that is Matthew.
Ba't tapos na?
With his
Hindi ka.
scooter.
Yan kasi daw yung to niya. Tignan mo naman to.
Oh, umuurong.
Patapang-tapang siya. Ngayon, first
Oo.
time ever niyang dito mahol.
Oh.
Oh. Nagtatago sa bahay ng mami niya.
Ay,
Ba?
ba-
Kumari pa.
What? What? Up, up, up. No fighting, no fighting.
Just play. First time ever nandito.
Wow, Kobe. You're
Si
behaving, Kobe. Kobe.
Oh, jealous siya rin.
Smelling
Kami
it.
now, man. Oh, puti ka. Dapat na pinaliguan ko tayo dahil magkakamanabisan. Ano na pinaliguan? Baka dito tayo dahil na kasi. How about the back for that? How about the back for that?
Let's go by the inside the parking.
Bali, 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 bali.
Ano ba yan? Umulan?